Come test drive the 2019 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced, it drives quite comfortably, and comes with a lot of features. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, quad seating, backup camera, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.